Ho, 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 ho. Good morning, everyone. We're up, we're about. It's 25 past 7, and the turkey's there, and the gammon's there, and pigs and sausages are there. So, cooker's on, or one of the cookers is on. We might have to put the other one on, but we should be alright. So, let's get going. So they're now deboxed. There's your gammon. And there's Bertie the turkey. Trevor the turkey. Tracy the turkey. Whoever it is anyway. It's a big bugger. That's that. And then we've got honey. What's it? Maple and bourbon dressing. We'll go on that later on. So, without further ado, let's get this dressed. Right, so let's do a bit of fruity filling. So a couple of apples and a couple of oranges. We'll quarter the apples, and we're only going to really take the zest off that for the top and shove them in the middle. Not too much because it will dry it out. And then there's the turk, and we'll cover it with butter. So we'll do that next. So the butter's gone on, spread all over, and just underneath the skin layer, just to make sure it goes really nice, doesn't dry out. Right, bacon next. We've got a lot of bacon, 20 smoked streaky pieces, so we'll start layering that on there. Okay, 2 seconds. Right, so I'll go with this. There's my knife. Right, okay. The bacon. Yeah, 2 seconds. Here comes the bacon. Whoopie, whoopie, woo. And that's basically what we do. Take a piece of bacon. And we cover it like that. Keep going until we've done it all. So I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So, here we go again. As you can see, bacon's truly covered. Make sure the legs are done as well, because these will cook first. But yeah, it looks lovely. Clean, tidy. Clean and tidy. Sounds like I'm buying a car. But look, lovely, juicy, succulent. So let's do these bits of fruit. Also, 1 onion, 1 carrot, all goes into the cavity. Just give it a bit of a rounded flavour. You don't need to overdo it, but just gives a bit of base to the stock of the turkey juices that come out, or the gravy later on. Okay, let's just sort these out. By the way, you don't need to peel anything because it's only going to go in stock for later, so don't worry about that. You don't need a lot of the zest, just about that much, but just enough just again, it's all about hints, succulent flavours. So that's that. Let's carry on. Right, so let's stuff the birds. So some apples in there now. Let's put some onion in. Let's put a bit of carrot in. Stuff some orange in. Let's stuff a bit more apple in. More onion. A bit more orange. And a bit more carrot. Let's shove this in really well now. All stuffed in. So next job is cover it with foil. Not that one, this one, and then we'll get them in the oven. So 2 secs. So it's got his little tin coat on. No alien attacks. Gammon's ready. Next thing is to try and squeeze it into this oven. It is big than you think, but let's have a go. 2 secs. Oh, and I've put them on trays. Just give us some stability. So let's try now. Quietly impressed with myself there. So as you can see, gammon at the bottom, turkey at the top. It's all set. Caesar's laters. Right, so this is the sauce that we're going to be putting on top. So let's check the meat, should we? Let's check the meat. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Right, okay. I'm going to put you down here. Oh no, we better turn you around first. Hold on 2 seconds. We're going to put you down like that so you can see the meat better, hopefully. Oh. So that's that. So let's cover this all over here. Oh, let's move it back on the wall. So that's like that. Super duper. Like that. Turn that off. I think this is cooked. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Lovely. Nice, isn't it? It's nice that we've had a taste. So, bit drunk there. That's what it looks like. All steamy, lovely. Right. We'll put this back. We'll get the turkey. It's a big bugger. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, big bugger. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. I'm going to take this off now so we can crisp it up. We'll do some basting. Just get a big baster for it.
Wow. Let's get a picture of that. You got pictures?
I'm just videoing it, babe.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I could do with taking pictures, but look at that. Plenty of juice. So we took the foil off now, so we're gonna do it now. Right, I'll catch you later. What are you looking at over there, Lollipop?
What you looking at this weekend?
We have a turkey, and we have the gammon. The turkey looks stunning.
Beautiful turkey, falling off the bone. Ooh, wowzers. Oh.
It looks hot.
I only touched it and the leg fell off. It's dead moist though, isn't it?
Yeah.
cigar.
I had a cigar inside, didn't I?
He got one for Christmas off
I never
somebody.
mind it. It's not that bad. I thought I'll ruin it.
Did he say to our day was here now? I'd have a go at our day.
Cheers.
Is that some Guinness?
No, it's not Guinness.
That's not too bad,
That's
that's
nice, that, isn't it?
For a delayed reaction.
You're going to be complaining the whole way home of like indigestion as well. Hot burn.
Merry Christmas.
You should bring that if you're ever sinking down.
That's really nice.
Keeps you warm.